Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be comparing iPhone SE 2022 and Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. The recently released iPhone SE 2022 and Poco X3 Pro came to the market with powerful chips and competitive pricing compared to Apple's and Xiaomi's current high-end phones. Focusing on affordability, the two smartphones have similar features such as wireless charging support and high processor performance. On the other hand, screen size and technical sheet details are features that differ between them, as can be seen in the following comparison. Available in white, black, and red, the iPhone SE 2022 was announced this March by Apple at a starting price of $429. The Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, launched in May 2021, landed on the domestic market being sold for $253.49 on the official Amazon website. Let's go deep into the comparison. The look of the two models is very different and divides opinions. The iPhone SE 2022 is compact and has the classic Apple design, the same used in the iPhone 8, while the Poco X3 Pro has a more robust look. Xiaomi's phone has a larger display compared to Apple's rival, which has large borders by today's standards. The panel is 4.7 inches on the Apple phone and 6.67 inches on the Chinese giants. The screen technology is also different, as the Poco X3 Pro delivers a Full HD Plus resolution LCD, while the iPhone SE 2022 is equipped with an HD resolution Retina IPS LCD. The Xiaomi comes out ahead when it comes to refresh rate, as one of its goals is to appeal to the gaming public. The display of the device has 120 Hz, as opposed to the 60 Hz present in the Apple model. This means that system animations are more fluid on the Poco X3 Pro. Although both products feature scratch and scratch resistance, it is worth mentioning that the iPhone SE 2022 comes equipped with the same glass present in the iPhone 13, which Apple claims is the toughest on the market. On the other hand, the Poco X3 Pro delivers Gorilla Glass 6, which also gives the product strength. This is a topic where the two devices differ quite a bit. The rear of the Poco X3 Pro is equipped with a quadruple set of cameras, while the iPhone SE 2022 boasts only one rear sensor. Unlike Apple's smartphone, the Xiaomi features the ability to take more wide-angle photos and also more detail with the macro lens. The camera setup of the iPhone SE 2022 is as follows: 12 megapixels main camera f/1.8 and 7 megapixels front camera f/2.2. The Poco X3 Pro, on the other hand, features the following cameras: 48 megapixels main camera f/1.8, 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera f/2.2, 2 megapixels telephoto lens f/2.4, 2 megapixels macro f/2.4, and 20 megapixels front camera f/2.2. Numerically speaking, Xiaomi's device has a superior setup. Although simple at first glance, the iPhone SE 2022 single-S cameras also achieve good results, and the main sensor is capable of portrait mode, which blurs the background, even with the absence of a second rear lens. The front camera of the iPhone SE 2022 has 7 megapixels and tends to record better quality in low light. The Poco X3 Pro, on the other hand, delivers 20 megapixels, which should provide good selfies. Both devices can record video in up to 4K, with Apple's recording at 60 frames per second and Xiaomi's at 30 FPS. The slow-motion recording is more robust on the Poco X3 Pro, as it is capable of capturing a maximum of 960 frames per second, while the iPhone SE 2022 is limited to 240 frames per second. Xiaomi thought of developing the Poco X3 Pro to please the audience that wants to use the device for gaming. Therefore, it equipped the model with a Snapdragon 860 processor. Although it is not the most current component from Qualcomm, it has enough power to perform demanding tasks, as well as run heavier games. In addition, the smartphone features a liquid cooling system that dissipates heat and cools the processor by up to 6 degrees Celsius. Despite its small size, the iPhone SE 2022 is not bad when it comes to performance. Apple has installed the same chip as in the iPhone 13, the A15 Bionic, the company's most powerful and latest chip to date. Benchmark tests reveal the superiority of the A15 Bionic over the Snapdragon 860 and the Poco X3 Pro. In use, The user should not notice a significant difference between the two processors if he or she makes common everyday use. Although Apple does not specify the amount of RAM, the amount present in the iPhone SE 2022 is estimated to be 3 GB. This is half the amount found in Xiaomi's smartphone. It is worth mentioning, however, that iOS demands fewer resources than Android. Performance and multitasking should be similar between the two in normal use. The iPhone SE 2022 is available in 3 storage options: 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB. Meanwhile, the Poco X3 Pro only offers a 128 GB version, but with the possibility of expansion by up to 1 TB via microSD card, a feature that does not exist on Apple's rival. Xiaomi's specifications point to a 5,160 mAh capacity battery. According to the brand, the charge is enough to watch 18 hours of videos or play games for 11 hours. Apple does not usually reveal this detail of the datasheet, but it is estimated that the model has a 1,821 mAh cell, capable of lasting a day with moderate use. Both models support fast charging and also wireless charging, but the Xiaomi comes out ahead by including in the product box a 33 watts charger, which, according to the brand, provides 59% power in 30 minutes, and in 59 minutes returns a full charge to the phone. The iPhone SE 2022 does not come with a charger, it only comes with a lightning cable in the box. The Poco X3 Pro leaves the factory running Android 11, with a guaranteed upgrade to Android 12. The phone also delivers the custom MIUI 12.5 interface, developed by the manufacturer itself, which is packed with exclusive features. The iPhone SE 2022 was announced with iOS 15. One feature of Apple's system is live text, which can extract the texts from photos and transcribe them to the smartphone's notepad, just like Google's Lens app. Only the iPhone SE 2022 has a 5G internet connection, while the Poco X3 Pro is equipped with traditional 4G. A common feature between both is the presence of NFC, which makes the models suitable for payment by proximity. Another common feature is the presence of a biometric reader. The one on the iPhone SE 2022 is present on the home button, the so-called Touch ID, while Xiaomi's fingerprint sensor is located on the side of the device. On the connectivity side, the two are practically the same, with Wi-Fi of the 802.11 type, in addition to Bluetooth 5.0 with A2DP/LoW that uses less power than the old standards. Finally, it is worth noting the fact that only the iPhone SE 2022 can be submerged in water at a maximum depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes, thanks to the IP67 certification. According to Xiaomi, the Poco X3 Pro is fingerprint resistant and has the IP53 certification, which leaves the device only resistant to splashes and dust. Available in white, black, and red, the iPhone SE 2022 was announced this March by Apple at the starting price of $429 for the 64GB version. The Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro, launched in May 2021, landed on the market for $253.49 on Amazon. Check out the link to buy on video's description page. Here ends our comparison on iPhone SE 2022 and Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.